Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Peugeot key fob. Here's what I'm going to be using. A flat blade screwdriver about this size will work, and you need one of these replacement batteries. This takes a 2025, and you can get these off Amazon. They're only a couple bucks, and there's a link below in the description. Okay, so here's what you want to do. First, pop out your key. Now, this part, it's going to feel like it's going to take a lot of pressure, but basically put your screwdriver here, twist, and then you can kind of open up the sides like that. Now, the only difficult part is this piece. You're going to have to kind of work around that because it actually slides into that half. Okay, so now you have your halves apart. You want to take your battery out here, and then the new battery goes in. You want to put it in this side first, press down, and then this goes back together. Give it a good squeeze and you're back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.